To schedule a Zopa savings account, you first need to understand what Zopa is and how it works. Zopa is a peer-to-peer lending company that allows you to lend money to other individuals or businesses, providing you with a return on your investment. To get started, go to the Zopa website and sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some personal and financial information. Once you are logged in, you will see an overview of your account, including any existing savings or loans. Next, click on the Savings tab and select the type of savings account you want to schedule. Zopa offers several options, including a fixed-term savings account and an easy-access savings account. Choose the account that best fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. After selecting your account type, you will need to specify the amount you want to save and the frequency of your deposits. You can choose to deposit a lump sum or set up a regular transfer from your bank account. You can also choose to transfer funds from an existing Zopa account. Once you have specified the details of your savings account, you will need to confirm your schedule. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of your account, including the interest rate and any fees associated with the account. It is also important to consider your financial goals and risk tolerance when scheduling a Zopa savings account. Consider how much you can afford to save each month and how long you can afford to keep your money locked away. By following these steps, you can easily schedule a Zopa savings account and start earning interest on your savings. Remember to regularly review your account to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals.